this is a follow-up video to my part 1 series of what causes gum recession. Today I'm going to talk about that first cause that I mentioned, which is aggressive brushing. So I'm going to go over a few simple things you can do if you find that you're causing damage to your gums because you brush too hard or with too much pressure. I'm going to go over some simple tips to help you break that habit. First, let's talk about a manual toothbrush. So when we're talking about wanting a brush that's both effective and gentle on the gums, I like to use a soft bristle toothbrush. You can get them at any store. This is a brush that a company called Vivago sent me that I really like. It's their bamboo brush. And take a look at these bristles. I like a toothbrush that has these kind of different length bristles. That's really good at getting in between the teeth rather than the ones that are just flush across. The reason why I like a soft bristle toothbrush is because it's going to be a lot more gentle. So I'm going to show you a technique using a soft bristle toothbrush. What you want to do is do little circles with the toothbrush angled down towards your gum line, and you're doing really light pressure. So let's take a look. What I want you to avoid is doing the up and down motion and holding your toothbrush really firm grasp like this. That's going to cause you to want to push harder. So no scrubbing and no side to side. Moving on and talking now about an electronic toothbrush. With an electronic toothbrush, you're not doing circular motion, scrubbing, doing anything. So it's doing the brushing for you. So same concept, you're going to hold the toothbrush down by the gum line, 45-degree angle towards your gums, half on your tooth, half on your gums. You're going to turn the toothbrush off, and all you're going to do is slowly pull the toothbrush as it's oscillating or moving. Instead of that firm grasp with your electronic toothbrush, I want you to try and just hold it with 3 fingers. This is just going to help make sure that you don't push too hard. I'm going to demonstrate how I use my electronic toothbrush. The other thing I wanted to mention, both with a manual toothbrush and an electronic toothbrush, a lot of the most common areas where I see gum recession on my patients who push too hard are along the bends. Think of your teeth set up like a horseshoe shape, right? So around the bend, those areas are where people push the hardest because it's that transition from going this direction to the front of your teeth. So right here is really where you're applying too much pressure. Make sure you're not pushing hard as you come around that bend. Alrighty, let me know if you have any questions. Leave me a comment below, DM me. And if you didn't watch part 1, make sure to go watch the 4 main causes of gum recession. I'll be making 3 other follow-up videos, so follow along.